relationship with your kids. It's very important you have a good relationship with your children. It dawned on me that the way you relate with your children when they are small is different from the way you relate with them when they are teenagers. I think this is where I will stop because that's my level. I'm talking with level of experience. My children, you have to try to relate with them. There are children that no matter what you try, they will not be your friend. And your children need to be either your friend or your husband's friend. Either your husband's friend or your friend. You know, they don't need to be in the hand of someone. We've noticed that because we don't relate with our children these days, a lot of families, a lot of people have lost their homes. Your friend, your daughter, your son, become your driver's friend, become your cousin's friend, become your uncle's friend. And that is the reason why what is happening in your family, you don't know about it. And that's the reason why you should calm down. You and your husband, check the children that love you the more. Check the children that comes to you the more. Keep their secrets. Bring them together. Come close to them. Calm down. Bring yourself down to their level so that they will be your friend. When you want to correct them as a friend. Don't correct them as a mother. Don't correct them as a father. Just correct them as a friend. And you will see, they will tell you a lot of things. Communication is very, very important in the life of our teenagers. A lot of our teenagers that are buying people now, doing yahoo, is because most of them are not friends with their mother. Most of them are not friends with their father. So they are far from the family. No one knows what they are doing until it gets to too much. Most of these children that you see them taking substance, behaving all this way is because most of them have no friend in the family. They have friends outside the family. Why will you allow your children to have friends outside the family? Try to be your children's friend.